Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw leads from LinkedIn Campaign Manager, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw leads from LinkedIn Campaign Manager, first, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Campaign Manager dashboard. Select the account that contains the leads you want to withdraw. In the dashboard, click on the Leads tab located on the left-hand side. You will see a list of lead generation forms associated with your campaigns. Choose the specific form you want to extract leads from. Click on the Download button typically found in the top right corner. Select the preferred format for your download, usually CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, click on the Download button to initiate the export. Your lead data will begin to download to your computer. Once the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to review your leads. Ensure all necessary information is present and correctly formatted. If required, clean or edit the data in your spreadsheet application. Now, you can utilize this lead information for your marketing and sales efforts. Remember to save your changes if you make any edits. That's how you can successfully withdraw leads from LinkedIn Campaign Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.